Na alam ko guys na marami sa atin is wala masyadong budget magpa-derma, pero hi everyone! Kamusta kayo? My name is Angelo. Welcome to my channel and mag-uusap na naman tayo about skincare, and skincare. So, make sure to keep watching. So, ang pag-uusapan nating topic today is again another controversial topic in the skincare world, and that is, okay lang ba gumamit ng mga products gaya ng MAXIPEEL and RDL Babyface? Now, in this video, we will be breaking down kung ano nga ba talaga ang nasa MAXIPEEL or RDL Babyface and paano nila na-affect ang skin natin to help you decide if this product is best for you. That being said, let us begin. So ano nga ba ang laman ng mga products gaya ng MAXIPEEL at RDL Babyface? Now, if i-check nyo yung front label, guys, makikita nyo it has two main ingredients. Yung first one is Tretinoin, which is a known medication for acne, for anti-aging, for dark spots. And we also have Hydroquinone, which is a skin lightening agent in which natutulungan niya yung dark spots ng skin natin na mag-lighten. Now, isa-isahin natin yung dalawang ingredients na to. Now, yung Tretinoin, guys, actually napag-usapan na natin to sa previous video natin. So, kung gusto niyo ng mas in-depth na discussion, do check that video out. Pero basically, guys, ang Tretinoin is a really well-researched medication that can help, again, with acne, with anti-aging, with dark spots, and it's widely researched, guys. So, alam mo talaga na may magagawa ang Tretinoin for your skin. However, Tretinoin is also very notorious dahil, guys, meron siyang tinatawag natin na purging phase, in which basically on the first few weeks or even months na gumagamit ka ng Tretinoin, yung skin mo is pwedeng mamula, pwedeng maging sobrang sensitive, pwedeng maging prone to irritation. At dahil dyan, guys, yung best way na paggamit ng Tretinoin time and time again will always be under the guidance of a dermatologist. Kasi guys, kapag hindi natin nagamit ang Tretinoin ng tama, yung purging phase, pwede siyang lumala sa skin natin. And kapag lumala siya, guys, isa na namang malaking problema yon and ayaw nyo yung mangyari sa skin ninyo. For example, meron kang acne, tas dinecide mo na gumamit ng Tretinoin without the guidance of a derma. Kapag mali ang paggamit mo ng Tretinoin, guys, your acne can actually worsen because of the irritation from the purging phase. At yun yung main reason kung bakit the best talaga ang gumamit ng Tretinoin with the guidance of a derma. Kasi guys, sila talaga yung may pinakaalam sa paggamit nito. Sila yung may alam kung paano yung dosage, kung ilang times a week nyo sila gagamitin, and most importantly, kung paano gamitin ang Tretinoin na as least irritation as possible ang nangyayari sa skin natin. So again, gumagana ba ang Tretinoin for acne and dark spots? Yes. But, marirecommend ko ba na gamitin siya basta-basta nang walang guidance ng isang derma? No. Now, next of these two ingredients, we have Hydroquinone. Now, like I said earlier, guys, this is a skin lightening agent, or basically, ang ginagawa niya is, nilalighten niya ang mga dark spots ng skin. So, very helpful to for those who have age spots, who have hyperpigmentation, or yung melasma, or yung sa Tagalog tinatawag nating pekas. So, paano nga ba nag-work ang Hydroquinone? Basically, ang ginagawa nito, guys, is pinapalesen niya yung pag-produce ng skin natin ng melanin. And yung melanin, guys, is yung pigment na nagpapaitim ng balat natin. And probably the reason kung bakit nilagay ang Hydroquinone dito is because Hydroquinone is really well-researched and is known to really lighten dark spots. Also, merong mga research that shows that Hydroquinone can be more effective if you use it alongside Tretinoin. However, and isang malaking however to, guys. Number one, pag hindi ginamit ng tama ang Hydroquinone, actually, pwede siyang mag-backfire and yung skin natin actually mangingitim siya lalo. This is a situation or a medical condition called ochronosis. And guys, ayaw niyong mangyari ang ochronosis sa skin ninyo. Mahirap siya i-treat. Number two, the skin lightening that you might get from Hydroquinone might be temporary. So, kunyari guys, gumamit kayo ng Hydroquinone, tapos sabihin natin, nag-lighten nga yung skin ninyo. Pag tinigil niyo yung paggamit ng Hydroquinone, guys, may chance na bumalik siya. And to make things more confusing, guys, yung Hydroquinone bawal mo siyang gamitin ng dire-diretso. Kailangan, after a few months, magsa-stop ka. Tapos itutuloy mo ulit, tapos magsa-stop ka. So, kailangan mo pa i-keep track yun, which can be very confusing for just an everyday skincare user. Number 3, ang hydroquinone, guys, is similar to tretinoin in the sense na it can also cause irritation and sun sensitivity on the skin. So, kapag hindi nyo siya ginamit ng tama, guys, your skin might actually get worse, especially kung meron kayong acne. Meaning, again, ang hydroquinone is, yes, gumagana for skin lightening, for lightening dark spots, hyperpigmentation, etc. Pero, would I recommend you to use it without the guidance of a derma? So, okay, given the information on both ingredients, guys, ano ang advice na mabibigay ko sa inyo sa paggamit ng products gaya ng MAXIPEEL RDL Babyface, and even some toners na ini-include sa mga rejuvenating set that have similar ingredients? So, yung advice ko, guys, is timbangin nyo yung benefits na makukuha ninyo sa side effects na pwedeng mangyari. So, okay, pwede ngang matreat yung acne ko dito at pwede ngang mawala yung ibang mga dark spots, pero paano kapag nagkataon, biglang mali yung paggamit ko ng product na to? And more importantly, meron bang ibang mga skincare products na pwede ko namang gamitin na may similar benefits pero walang ganitong kabigat na side effects? Spoiler alert, meron. So guys, hindi ko kayo tinatakot or hindi ko rin sinasabi na these ingredients are not safe for your skin. In fact, if you ask a lot of dermas, if used correctly, hydroquinone and tretinoin can actually be very safe on the skin. Ang ina-avoid lang talaga natin dito, guys, is yung paggamit sa kanila ng mali, which is why dapat talaga nilalapit natin sa mga dermatologists ang mga concerns gaya nito. Especially kapag malala na yung acne natin, guys. Na alam ko, guys, na marami sa atin is wala masyadong budget magpa-derma, pero alam nyo ba na ang Philippine Dermatological Society or ang PDS ay nag-o-offer ng free consultation sa iba't ibang mga health institutions in the Philippines. Check niyo yung website nila, guys, at pds.org.ph para i-check kung alin yung mga institutions na malapit sa inyo wherein you can get a free consultation. Check niyo rin yung Facebook page nila, guys, wherein madalas silang nagpo-post kung paano ba yung proseso ng free consultation or kung meron man. So, sulitin na natin to, guys. Again, this is a free consultation and sobrang importante na ipa-check natin sa derma yung mga skin problems natin because, guys, yung skin problems, hindi lang din basta-basta yan. It's still a health problem. And importante na pinapacheck din natin yan sa mga doktor. Na consulting a derm means na malalaman ninyo kung ano ba yung sitwasyon ng skin ninyo or if meron mang mga issues. And guys, pwede nyo rin i-open up sa derma yung mga budget concerns nyo na parang medyo tight yung budget nyo, medyo hindi kayo makakapaggastos, para makapagawa sila ng treatment plan na pasok sa budget ninyo. So all in all, guys, when it comes to MAXIPEEL, RDL Babyface, or similar products, ito ang say ko. Number 1, if gagamit kayo ng MAXIPEEL for very mild skin issues, as in yung skin nyo is okay naman talaga siya, pero kunyari, may maliit lang na dark spot, isa o dalawa na gusto nyo i-treat, para sa akin, guys, hindi siya worth it gamitin, as in skip it. Ang reason, guys, is because ang daming skincare products sa market na makakatulong with acne or dark spots na sobrang mild lang, na hindi ganyan kalala ang side effects. At lalong-lalo na for dark spots, guys, na parang siguro isa, dalawa o konti lang, I have an entire video showing you the best skincare products that you can get locally for less than 500 pesos and wala silang ganitong kalala na side effects. So do check that video out if dark spots or brown spots ang concern ninyo. Number 2, if ang issue ninyo is yung sobrang malala ng acne or yung sobrang malala ng dark spots, then ang masasabi ko is ask about MAXIPEEL or RDL Babyface sa board-certified dermatologist if okay ba siyang gamitin or appropriate ba siya sa inyo. Mag-consult kayo, guys. Total free naman siya. And tanong nyo, Doc, appropriate ba gamitin yung MAXIPEEL or yung RDL Babyface sa skin ko? And also considering yung budget ko na hindi ko masyadong ma-afford yung sobrang mahal, appropriate ba to, Doc? Now, if sabihin nila na oo, appropriate ito, then great. Tutulungan ka pa nila kung paano ito gamitin ng tama at paano ito gamitin with the least irritation as possible happening on your skin. Na kung sabihin na hindi naman siya appropriate sa'yo, 100% sure ako guys na yung derma na makakausap nyo is magbibigay siya ng alternatives or ibang options na pwede ninyong gamitin para i-treat yung skin condition ninyo. So now na nabigay ko na yung thoughts ko on MAXIPEEL and RDL Babyface, gusto ko namang malaman guys, ano ang opinion nyo about these products? And nagkaroon na ba kayo ng experience in using them? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, please do leave me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Nakakaloka yung ingat. Charot.